Hi guys, Yolanda. Let me get that out the way. So I'm going to be starting another journal, and this one is with these beautiful papers. If I'm correct, I think it's Janie B journals, but I'll look it up because they really are stunning, and it's quite a comprehensive kit. So as you can see, and it measures, this kit, 8 by 5, I think, again. Yeah, 8 by 5, say 3/4. Right. Now, once I put my kits together, I never worry about pages overlapping because, you know, it's I'll probably put some fabric or something there, but even so, it never bothers me. So what I've done now, and I just want to show you some more of the kit here because it's really great. I've got these. It comes with envelopes, and by the way, I'm not getting paid for promoting her kit. I just bought it because, you know, I liked it. So and it does. Look at this, and I've decided to keep these together, these, instead of separating them. But it really does come with a lot of ephemera. I mean, look at that cute tag, and this is more stuff from the ephemera, and these are just extra pages I've got. Look at that, those, and the tags and stuff I've printed on project board, so it's nice and thick paper. This doesn't belong here. It's another one of her kits, but we've got all these lots and lots and lots tickets, and look at this sheet. Don't you just love it? I love that sheet. I actually need to keep it out to remind me what I'm going to do. So this is kind of like an intro, okay? And this one, so we're going to do it obviously different from the other one, and I'm going to make a soft cover rather than my preferred hard covers. I mean, I don't mind soft covers either. They also, you know, you can make them look beautiful. So lots and lots and lots going on here. I am not using coffee dyed paper for this. I am using pastel papers. These ones you buy them, you must have seen them at the P&A. And now what I've done, and I like to do this quite a bit, well, I've done quite a few like this lately. I sew the 2 pages back to back. Sometimes I will leave this open to make a pocket. In this instance, I haven't. So I've sort of put it together. So it's going to be, as of now, 2 signatures. Don't really want to make it more than that. So I've just got these papers, which I will stagger rather than have them all once I come to stitch it. And most of it is stitched this time. And I think on this one we will probably do a little bit of mixed media. And we've got the green as well, and I've got a few more pages I might just put inside. How many signatures is this? 2, 4, 6. I'm counting that as 1, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, which is a good amount, which means it's 40 pages back to front. I haven't even counted this one, and I think this one is going to go on the top. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, how's that, 18, they've both got 20, and I don't worry too much about having equal amounts excuse me, of pages in my signature. I don't think that you know, it doesn't have to be like that. So we'll call this the intro. I'm going to start with this one. I've got these books here, you know, these double ledgers, and of course none of it's going to be, let me take from the back, coffee dyed or anything. Let's just take a couple of these out. You know, it's always nice to have different lengths and so on in your books. This is another attendance register. That's already out. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to use it, but this is more or less the same as the other one. I suppose I can take a page out. Maybe I'll use it to make a pocket or something. Oh, there's 2 loose ones. There we go. Let's put that aside. And then I have a bag. And yep, it is the right size for here. So we will use a bag this time. That's quite nice, but obviously we are going to do something to it. Now this one, I want to do something, I guess a little bit different, you know. It's got to be different, isn't it? Not a little bit, a lot different. So this is a spare piece of paper I have. There is a kit with this paper, by the way. Well, there will be very soon. It should be up in my shop by the time. It has to be this way. I'm just looking at, this is the right way. No, not really. This is the right way up. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna do it about, I'm going to turn it upside down, and I'm going to score this at about, now I'm going to do 3, and you'll see why in a moment. Again, it's just to do something different. Can't have 2 journals exactly the same. Well, you can, nothing wrong with that either. And I think I'm going to put, because it goes beautifully with this blue here, and it's 8x8 sheet. So, yeah, I like that. So now we already added another piece in here, and then I might take out another one, one of these. You know, it just depends on how full it gets. So I'm just folding this in half, and we know it's 8 inches long. So we could even put you, I might change it. I mean, nothing is written in stone until it's, yeah, I'm liking that. And now this is so pretty. So I think on this, I'm going to use my little punch just to give it an edge. Nothing is going to be distressed in this journal either. You can distress, well, it depends what paper you're using for yours, isn't it? So once again, I'm hoping you will follow along, because this is a free tutorial on making a journal from start to scratch. That didn't make sense. From scratch to finish. There we go. Very, very pretty. And so that will go there. I'm liking that. It's looking very nice. And it's much easier to use your punches on project board or a thicker paper than on the copy paper. It just doesn't work for me anyway. So now here, yeah, I'm liking that. So what I'm going to do, I am going to cut this to about here, just so that the white paper shows. Yeah, that's quite cool. And then I'm using the smaller one on this, a 7mm. Might as well make a bit of a start. I don't normally in the introduction. So you're going to want to go away and stitch your papers together. It does make your journal a bit chunkier and firmer. Or you can also print back to back if you want, but I like the feel of it, you know. So this guy, I'm just going to trim you a little bit. I'm not wearing my glasses today. I'm wearing contacts because I went out. And my vision when I'm wearing contacts is not 100% because they're different in each eye. One is for distance, so I can drive, and of course, and then one is for close work. But your vision is never 100% perfect. So look at that, and you've got a little bit of pink there. I think that looks nice. So we may as well do one page. You know, I don't like to, I try not to make the videos too long. And now with this, I don't normally do it, but I went page by page and bone folded it to make it as flat as possible, because these pages are thicker than normal. And I love the colors. I love blue and I love teal. So this one, I am going to, I'm just going to stick it down. Where's my glue? Right here. Okay. Yeah, so let's just put a little bit here. Hopefully that will work. Put it right across there. I like that. Uh-oh. And of course this is all from the kit. And then I thought maybe, because the kit comes with also, oh, look at this bird here. I could even put, but they've got cutouts. There are cutouts here. I should use these, but it's not, they're just page numbers. I'm going to think what we're going to do with those if you're using the same kit. Otherwise, you can make them up. But that can go right at the end. You see some of the sheets? And I printed 2 of each. Okay. Plus this. I want to make a little pocket here. And look at these. See this envelope, it didn't quite print properly. My paper went in skew. So I'm not going to throw it away. I mean, what a waste that would be. So I may as well just show you quickly. So I'm just going to turn this into a little folder. And I'll leave that in until I'm sure of what I'm going to do with it. So if that ever happens to you and it doesn't go in straight, don't throw it away. Turn it into a folder. I prefer using this one because this paper is thin, so I use the thicker side of the bone folder. Or, you know what, the possibilities to use this up are endless. So we will see what we're going to do with it. So I'm just going to score it. Let's have a look. Might have to cut this one. No, it's perfect. See, I could still make this into an envelope like that and close that off. Or, hey, well this, I think it's too big for my pocket here. No, it's too big. I want a small, unless I use that pocket there. How pretty is that? Let's just see what else I've got before. See, I misprinted this as well, so I'll just keep it. I'm sure I'll find a use for it. There we go. So pretty. I'm sure this is Janie B. Journals, and her prices, she's very reasonable. Yeah. Another beautiful envelope there. Lots of envelopes. So we're going to be putting envelopes in here. So I'm just sorry this guy is not the other way. Let me see what I have here. See, I have this piece here. So I think, and that's a little butterfly, because we must decorate that somehow. I'm just trying to see. It doesn't really matter. Oh, that'll be perfect as a little pocket. Look. You know, I said I wasn't going to distress, but I think it needs some distressing, guys. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, it's not like you can talk back to me. I'm just straightening it. It probably does need, you know what I'm going to do quickly? Because I just feel that it needs something. But first, why don't we cut out just a little V here, make it a bit more interesting for the pocket. Could even put it on there. No, I'm not changing my mind, I'm putting it here. But I'm going to stitch this piece, so I'm just going to my machine quickly, and I've just got a neutral color cotton in here. I was going to put blue, but then I thought, you know what, let's go for the neutral, and so that's what I've done. But I still think, no, I'm not. I'm just going to make a normal pocket here, there, and there, and there, so that this guy can come here. And then I could fussy cut, I think, a nice, this yellow one, butterfly. Gonna speed this up. That's looking very pretty there. Also there. But I think there I'm going to put another butterfly. So this one is the birds and the butterflies. I think I want to put this small one there. Let's see what it will look like. I probably should have fussy cut this off camera, but here we go. Yeah, I like that there. I think that's looking quite cute. So yeah, it's this one we're working on. So look, we've already made a start. I just need to cut this off here from the punch, and that is looking rather nice. And let's say we put, for the moment anyway, this guy can probably put 2. Hey look, this one will fit in here as well. And then we can put, it's already looking fabulous. So I am going to leave that at that, and then I'm going to come back and we are going to do something here, and then I think, oh, we need something here. I will leave these pages for writing, and we'll see how it goes. So guys, I will check you out in part 1 of the, what am I going to call this? The birds. The birds and the bees. Okay, there's no bees. The birds and the butterfly journal. Birds and butterfly journal. That's what we're going to call this. So let me know if you're going to be joining me in this endeavor, and I will see you soon. Ciao now. Take care.